Did you figure it out?
No.
Are you still on the first maze?
Yes.
Bug. I
That yours?
think we have one more gift for you.
One more.
For who?
Well, I think it says your name, but I'd like for you to come read it with me.
Read the tag out loud.
Say out loud.
To Lexi from Mommy and Daddy, extra special delivery.
Okay.
What did that mean? Want me to help you?
Yeah, I can't get that off.
Golly. That's a tough one.
Open the big one first.
Yeah. There you go.
Ooh, pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Pretty. What's that say?
Big sis Lexi.
What's that mean?
I'm a big sister.
To who? To Harper?
Yes.
I think what it means. Daddy, you want to tell her?
Hey, babe. Mommy and I are going to have a baby.
There's a baby in my tummy.
Just tell me right now.
There is?
There he is.
It's extra special.
You're going to be a big sister.
Yay.
Isn't that cool? Isn't that awesome?
It even says my name.
Yeah.
Did you order this?
Special for you. Come here.
What do you think about that?
Awesome.
Huh? Go give Mommy a big ol' hug. Can you believe that?
I can't believe it.
Are you crying?
It's okay. I'm crying.
You're
too.
going to make me cry.
Isn't that great? God gave us a baby finally. Isn't that cool? Go give Mommy a hug.
Oh, the baby will be here after you graduate first grade in the summer. Pretty cool, huh? What do you think?
Awesome.
Are you going to be a good big sister?
Yes.
I think so too.
Open this one.
It's a book. See? I'm a big sister.
Open it. There's a note. Read your note.
Luke, we know that you are going to be the best big sister to new baby when it arrives. Know that Daddy and Mommy love you very much and are so proud of you. Lots of love.
Lots of love.
Lots of love, Mommy and Daddy.
So now you can read that book while you get ready for the baby to come. Cool? Isn't this what you wanted?
Yes.
You want to see something else?
Yes.
Mommy, where's the DVD with the pictures?
Oh, I'll get it. Say bye.
Bye.